Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Scott Haney.
All right, Mark is working the evening shifts. He'll be here at 5 to update you on the storm system that's going to be rolling in, but I'm going to update you on it right now and what we know. Our Channel 3 early warning dual pole radar scanning the state dry. It's really kind of a lovely day out there. It's a cold day, but at least we've got partly sunny skies. No winter storm watches in effect. There are no watches or alerts or anything like that in effect for Connecticut at this point, but they just are over the Connecticut border into parts of western Mass and parts of central New York. So we're keeping an eye on that. If anything does go over, it'll be Litchfield County, and we'll certainly keep you posted if that does. I don't know if it meets the criteria. We're not going to get a ton of snow, but up in Litchfield County, you guys are going to get a little bit more snow than the rest of us. The day ahead, well, it's looking pretty cold. The temperatures are going to be dropping into the upper 20s, low 30s by about 5 p.m. And then tonight, partly cloudy. There are no weather woes out there for tonight. Even tomorrow morning looks good, but after that, things start to fall apart for tomorrow afternoon. I think tomorrow evening's rush hour could be compromised a little bit with some different types of precipitation depending on where you live. All right, the numbers out there right now are in the mid to upper 20s, maybe 30 degrees. You've got 30 in Norwich, 30 in Groton, but the numbers are a little bit cooler than average. You factor in a little bit of a breeze, 9 to 10 to 12 miles an hour, and 13 in Waterbury. It does feel like it's cold. 10, 11, 12, 13. Hey, look at that. 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yeah, look at that.
That's pretty cool,
Wait,
right?
18, 19. No, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work. There's no 14. So we're just going to skip ahead. You know it's cold out there. All right, we do have some sunshine out there in Waterbury. Good afternoon to you. Hartford, yeah, the camera's shaking, Kara, and that's that wind out there. And that camera hardly ever shakes, so it does indicate that we do have a little bit of wind out there. All right, now as I just mentioned a little bit earlier, you can see the storm, the very first inklings of this storm system up in the upper left-hand portion of your screen. That's a little bit of cloud coverage. So you can see it. Kara, what state is this?
That is Michigan.
It's your home state of Michigan. Yes, the one that looks like the mitten. It's rolling through there, and as you can see, there are several different types. There's rain, there's some mixed precipitation, there's snow, and that's exactly what we're going to see here in Connecticut. A little small microcosm of that storm system moving on in. Let's take a look at Futurecast. It is tomorrow's weather today. I'm picking it up tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. You'll notice really not a whole lot between 7 and 3 p.m. The storm doesn't really roll in until about 4 or 5. And even that, it's for portions of the state. So northeast and southeast Connecticut, you might not be dealing with anything until Tuesday night, tomorrow night. But it looks like rain now, snow, a little snow changing over to rain. And then as the system moves on through, colder air starts wrapping in and it changes over to snow. And then it's gone by about 5 o'clock Wednesday morning. So here's some preliminary snowfall totals. This is a model, but it does give us a little bit of a good projection. So 2 to 4. About 1 to 2 and nothing for New London, and that's kind of what I've got pictured here. Basically rain, 1 to 2 inches in central Connecticut and 2 to 4 inches in parts of Litchfield County, northern Litchfield County. So that's the storm system. It's all wrapped up by Wednesday morning. And then the rest of the week, Kara, I mean, we're talking about some brutally cold weather for Thursday. Highs today, upper 20s, low 30s. Your overnight lows tonight drop back into the mid to upper teens, right around 20 degrees. It'll be a partly cloudy, cold night. And then tomorrow, late in the day, we start to see some precipitation rolling in. It goes over to, it starts as a little bit of snow, goes over to rain, and then back over to snow very early Wednesday morning, gone by about 5 or 6 a.m. And then look at Thursday, the high of only 10 with the wind chill that is going to be significantly below zero. Dangerously cold weather on Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we start to moderate those temperatures. They do move up into the low to mid to upper 30s by Sunday.
And we say goodbye to January on Friday.
Yes, goodbye, January. We made it through.